Julie, I'm doing my back exercise. See? It's supposed to go like this. Ow. Okay. Here. Turn the camera to the front door, I guess. I can't do this right. Well, so put that thing like that, and then go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got big butts and I cannot lie. Now you wonder what the back's good for? Shaycar suggested it. You go like this. You jump, or wait you can jump over them like this. Watch. The high note. Respect my authority. Here's a good song. Sleep down on a permanent in the house. Social matter. Paradise, simple destination. Over here. No time. On the name. Pop down. There's campus for you. And he's going to be right up here.
Hey everybody. Probably have cum in my mouth. Anyway, hang on. Ashley's getting mad at me, so I'll turn the camera back to her.
That's fine. Put the camera. Hey, get the camera. This is how I do this.
She's trying to do push-ups, people, and she's not really good at it.
No, actually, I'm trying to tone my middle down. And then you're supposed to do sit-ups. Like, this is the way I do it. I'm going to get an exercise ball soon. And an exercise mat. But they're so expensive. As long as you exercise and you can feel it in your belly, there's no real way to do it longer, right? See, I can feel it. And get rid of your junk food. So that's how I'm going to try to exercise every day, maybe. And I'm going to walk around the neighborhood more. So, yeah, maybe Julia will help me when she comes over. Julia?
Yes, I will.
Like, we can go exercise right now. Want to go? I'll show you a pond.
Okay.
Come here. You want to drive or walk?
We'll walk.
How far can you walk to? It's a really good pond.
I know.
Want to see it?
Yeah.